everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to address a common problem. This issue is related to Tutor LMS plugin on WordPress. Specifically, we are going to fix a loop login or login twice problem that some user experience. So firstly, I will show you the what is the problem. So the mainly problem is whenever I try to log in this page. For example, I'm entering my mail ID, then I'm going to enter my password. So it's not redirect me to my dashboard page because of its cache file. So without any further delay, let's get started how to fix this issue. So first, log in your admin panel, WordPress admin dashboard. Simple. Then search for any cache or optimizing plugin you might have installed, such as WP Optimize or LiteSpeed Cache. In my case, I have already installed a LiteSpeed Cache. So I'm going to delete this plugin. And after delete, let's see what changes happen. So check the installs plugin, and installs plugin you will find LiteSpeed Cache plugin. Deactivate it. Now deactivate it properly. Now come to your website again. Refresh the page. You will see your dashboard is appearing. Let's check again it is working properly or not. Now we are again logging with the same email ID. Now see, this problem is totally fixed. So you can also apply these setting in your WordPress dashboard to fix this problem. After completing all these steps, you can check your issue is resolved. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe my channel. So have a great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Mahakal. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your